everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel and VBA Learnings. In this video today we are going to see a function known as OR. Now in our previous video we have seen two logical functions, that is if and function. So these were the two functions that we have seen in our previous video. So today we are going to see a logical function, that is OR. So the OR function is a logical function, to test the multiple condition at the same time. If the condition, this function will either will give a value as true or false. If your conditions are meeting, then it will give you as true, or else it will give you a false. So let's see how this condition, how this OR function works. So if you can see here, I have just created a small table, just a table of two. Like in one column B I have given food items as my data, and burger or fries. So what I have to do is I need to find if this column contains burger or fries. So it should give me a value as true or false. So let's see how this works. Now how this function will work. Now let's see. Equals to OR. I've just pressed OR. Okay, what I'll do is I'll give a cell reference out there. So I'm giving as B4 as my cell reference. Okay, and B6, I'm sorry, B6 as my cell reference, and I will type if B6, or B6 equals to burger. So I've typed this as burger, or okay, burger. Then again I will see this, what I want is either burger or fries. So let's see what it gives me. It's giving me as true. Why? Because this cell contains burger. Again, it's giving me as true. I'm just doing Control D to paste the same formula down. So it's giving me as true. Now this has given me as false. Why? Because this cell contains, it doesn't contain either burger or fries. So it's giving me as false. Let's see. Again, what I'll do is I'll press Control D. Okay, so again this is giving me as false because this cell contains water. I will just select all this and press Control D. So now you can see this. Now this is giving me as true because this cell contains as fries. It's giving me as true. It's giving me true because this cell contains burger as a value which we have defined. So either burger or fries. So this is how an OR condition work. Now let's see. Most of the time this OR function is used with if condition. If function. So if, as you know, if function is very basic logical function which I have already covered in my previous videos. So if and OR. Let's see how this if and OR function works. Okay, so let's see. Let's give an example. So what I'll do here is I will take some value which is 35. Okay, in F6. Okay, in F6 I have taken a value as 35, and G6 I will take the value as 35 again. So both the values are same. Now let's see how it, let's take this as 40. Okay, now we are seeing OR function with if condition. So let's see, equals to if tab OR. Now I will take my first condition, this if F6 is greater than 35. I'm taking this as greater than 35, and my second logical function is this is this is again greater than 40. So what I want, I'll close the bracket. So this is my condition, this is my OR condition. F6 should be greater than 35 or it should be greater than 40. So it should give me as pass, else it should give me as fail. So let's see. Now this is giving me as fail. Why this is giving me as fail? Now the condition what we have given is greater than 35 or greater than 40. Now this is again 35 is not greater than 35. It is equal to 35. 40 is not greater than 40. It is equal to 40. So let's see, if I take this as 37, it should give me as pass. So here we go. It has given me pass. Why? Because what we are doing here is we are specifying either conditions. I mean two conditions. We are meeting two conditions. It's this or this. Alright. So if F6 is greater than 35, should give me as pass, else it should give me as fail. Okay, so now what if I take this as 31, it's giving me as fail. Alright, because this cell value is not equal or is not greater than 40. So if I change this, it will give me as pass. You can see that it's giving me as pass. So the condition is OR. OR function is, what I want is either this or this. So now my both the conditions are meeting. Like if I say it's 35, so my one condition is meeting my criteria, so it's giving me as pass. If my both the condition is not meeting, it's giving me as fail. I mean, you can see this 35 equals to 35, it's equals to 40, it's giving me as fail. So this is how an OR function works in an Excel. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a great evening. Thank you.